Welcome to the webinar, everyone. We're going to get started here in just a minute. We're going to give people a little bit more time to get on. If you are looking for better health and more wealth, you have landed in the right place. More importantly, the timing that we have right now is extraordinary for you. We're going to be talking about CMDX and smart currency for the infinite you. We're going to be learning a little bit about smart contracts, artificial intelligence, biometrics, and crypto commerce. Our partners are IBM and Ethereum. Those are some of the technologies that we're using to make this a reality. But I tell you what, timing is very important. And one thing that Peter Diamandis said, he's one of our mentors, he's a founder of the X Prize and Singularity University, recently wrote a book called Bold, which is a phenomenal book. But you know, he said it took 50 years to get 3 billion people online. And they're expecting that another 3 billion people will enter the ecosystem of the internet within the next 5 to 7 years. Well, that's important because right now CMDX is positioned with 250,000 members right now in 38 different countries looking for people that want better health and more wealth. So that properly positions CMDX to really capitalize on this new 3 billion people that are coming online. Why are they coming online? Well, they're launching over 11,000 satellites that are going to spread 5G coverage all over the world. And big companies like Apple and Amazon and Google are going to be giving away free smart devices in exchange for your information. Now, that's important because that validates our business model. So we like to say your information is worth money. It's yours. You produce it and you should own it. And that's what we're going to be talking about in this webinar. You know, there's lots of education packed into this webinar. And I tell everybody that education allows you to see the opportunity, but we've got to tap something inside of you that makes you take massive action to seize the opportunity. And really, I hope you do. You do have an opportunity to be one of the first 1,500 charter members that gets to help launch the CMDX Smart Currency for the Infinite You program. It's very exciting. As I mentioned, we're growing all around the world. And smart contracts, artificial intelligence, biometrics, and crypto commerce right now are some of the leading technologies, the fastest growing industries, and we are in the epicenter of that business. Speaking of timing, just sit back, enjoy the presentation, jot down your questions, and open your mind to a world of possibilities. Now, one of the first things I like to cover is CMDX right for you before you invest 25 minutes of your valuable time. You know, there's a lot of people out there that want to learn about cryptocurrency. If you're one of those people, this is a great place for you. Maybe you want to create a digital avatar so you can make money online with your digital avatar while you're alive and even after you're gone. That's a big concept. That's a big stretch for most people, but it is coming and it is happening. Maybe you want to own a portable business and focus on lifestyle design. You want to be able to do business from anywhere in the world, and maybe you'd like to outsource the functions of your business so you have more time to spend with your family and doing the things that you enjoy. Some people come to our company because they want to improve their health and they want to reduce their health costs. That's two of our core pillars, or what we call our core four of our company. And then, you know, we like to find people that want to fund a passion project. You know, if you want to build churches or schools or dig wells around the world, this is a business that can provide you with the financial opportunity to do that. So, hey, if one of those fits your style, you are perfect for this webinar. Maybe it's all the above for you. I hope it is. But CMDX is proving to be right for a lot of people around the world, and we're excited you're on the webinar with us. Now, one of my favorite sayings is be the vision and live the mission, and that's exactly what we're doing with CMDX. You know, Alan Kay said the best way to predict the future is to invent it, and that's exactly what we're doing. Our big, hairy, audacious goal, if you will, that's one of those fancy Harvard terms, is to create the world's first decentralized network marketing company powered by Ethereum smart contracts and IBM's Watson. You're like, what the heck is that? Well, we're going to get into that. We're going to cover both of those in detail. CMDX is running at the speed of light, and if you are a Peter Diamandis follower or you've read the book Bold, you understand that there's a lot of companies out there that are saying, how can I run my company without employees and use artificial intelligence? Well, here's another one of our big, hairy, audacious goals. By the end of 2020, CMDX will have 0 employees. It will be run exclusively by Brittany, who's our artificial intelligence digital avatar, and smart contracts that are powered by Ethereum. All right, let's cover what smart contracts are and how they work on the Ethereum blockchain. Watch this short video. It's very informative.
What is Ethereum? Ethereum is an open platform that enables developers to build and deploy decentralized applications. The easiest way to think of Ethereum is as a programmable Bitcoin. Ethereum allows participants to run decentralized blockchain applications called smart contracts. Smart contracts are highly secure and run with a perfect digital history, making them auditable, trustless, and unstoppable. These smart contracts can be programmed without any chance of downtime, censorship, or fraud. The Ethereum blockchain and smart contracts form a shared global supercomputer that can move value, represent ownership, transmit tokenized assets, and digitize many more complex financial applications. This lets developers create markets, shared ledgers, digital organizations, and many more things that have not even been invented, all without a middleman, and all immutable. Much like what the internet did for information, Ethereum has the power to open up the financial system to the world and build a safer, more accessible, and fair economy for everyone.
Okay, so you can see the advantages to that. We can create smart contracts that are self-executing. When our members refer other members, we can self-execute the contract and make sure they're compensated for doing that without the need of human intervention. So smart contracts are a big deal for our company, and they'll definitely allow us to scale. Let's look at some of the benefits of smart contracts and how they apply to CMDX. You know, when we enroll people and they do their know your customer, meaning they upload their ID, you get a bonus. Well, we can program that with a smart contract to where it happens instantly. Also, we regularly run sales contests. If you were to refer 10 members and we had a bonus scheduled in CMDX, we can very simply program that, and once you've hit your goal, you get compensated automatically. Also, with our referral compensation that we pay out every Monday, the minute we process the payroll, the contract's written and you receive your pay. The other thing is exercise. If you're wearing a biometric device like our CMDX Fit, or you're wearing a biometric ring from Motive, you'll be able to earn points, and those points will be converted into cryptocurrency. Again, no human intervention needed. You simply do the exercise and the contract rewards you for living a healthier lifestyle. And then we look at marketplace transaction rewards. Let's say you refer a provider that's selling products and people are using CMDX to buy those products. Well, every time a product is sold, we can pay you a transaction fee. Again, all of that is arranged by self-executing electronic contracts. No human interaction is needed. So let's look at some of the Ethereum smart contract advantages. First thing, it's win-win for both not only the member, but also for the company. These contracts are programmable. They're self-executing, meaning the minute the goal is achieved, the rewards are paid, and we love that. That's without human intervention. Also, when you talk about 3 billion people coming online in the next 5 to 7 years, you want to have something that's scalable. You want to have technology that can keep up with the demand. And that's one great thing about smart contracts is you could have 5,000 people achieve a fitness goal on the same day. All those contracts self-execute and all the rewards are paid to their wallets. It's also very cost efficient. For every million people that we grow, we don't have to hire more employees. The same contracts do the work for the next million people that they're doing for the current million people. And probably one of the benefits that you really like is it's instant. Once you achieve the goal, you get paid. It's instant gratification. And who doesn't like that? And again, another benefit that's important to you and the company is it's accurate. You know that if you achieve the goal, you're going to get exactly what you're promised because it's a self-executing electronic contract. Now let's take a look at Watson. You know, Watson was the artificial intelligent digital avatar that won the Jeopardy game and has beat the top chess champions. IBM has made Watson open source, so any company can plug into it and use the power of Watson to tap into their global network. And it's very exciting for CMDX to be able to have this huge resource through IBM and also to be able to contribute to it. Let's take a look at this 4-minute video and let's look at the power of Watson and the benefits it not only brings to our members, but what our members can bring to Watson as well. Watson will also power our digital avatar that we're currently calling Brittany. Watson will also power our avatar, which is called Brittany. We'll talk about her in a little bit.
The world's approach to health is broken, but that's about to change. Medical data doubles every 3 years, and the $7 trillion health industry is unable to keep up with the staggering rate at which information is produced. From medical records, clinical trials, and research to personal fitness bands, implanted devices, and other sensors that collect real-time data, Each of us can generate the equivalent of 300 million books of health-related data in our lifetime. In fact, approximately 35 cents of every dollar spent on medical care is wasted. And yet, there is a reason for hospitals, doctors, insurers, and patients alike to be optimistic about the future. The reason is Watson Health Cloud. The IBM Watson Health Cloud brings together vast amounts of medical data into one centralized thinking hub on the cloud, combining traditional analytics with the advanced cognitive capabilities of Watson. The ability to learn and over time refine its analysis based on what it is learning, to turn this wealth of data into knowledge. Take Raul. Raul has a family, a busy job, and an active lifestyle. He also has a heart condition. It's mild, but it could worsen over time. He works closely with his doctor to monitor the problem, but they have difficulty finding medication that doesn't limit his busy lifestyle. And with the mountain of medical data available, it's nearly impossible to keep up with the latest treatments. Raul's doctor starts using a new app created from the Watson Health Cloud. It allows him to review Raul's personal and family medical history from other doctors, even insurance providers, and incorporate that information with data from Raul's Fitbit. This provides both Raul and his doctor with meaningful insights about his condition over time. Watson Health Cloud operates in an ecosystem environment. As in nature, an ecosystem brings together many contributors to keep the system functioning smoothly. Watson Health Cloud's ecosystem functions much the same way. It combines massive amounts of data and knowledge and brings together researchers, doctors, patients, pharmaceutical companies, and insurers in a secure and open platform. As Raul and his doctor continue to use Watson Health Cloud through the app contributes that data back into the Watson ecosystem. This give and take makes Watson Health Cloud more dynamic, intelligent, and efficient for everyone. The app combines knowledge about Raul's heart condition with data in the Watson Health Cloud from patients with the same condition. Using analytics and insights, the app makes the best recommendations for Raul's care. When a new study suggests a correlation between an allergy medication Raul takes and increased risk of heart disease, the app alerts Raul's doctor and suggests a possible replacement medication. Since the app knows Raul is an avid runner, the app suggests a medication that doesn't interfere with strenuous physical activity. Raul never has to worry about his medical privacy because IBM goes to great lengths to keep knowledge about patients private and anonymous, ensuring that before any of Raul's medical records reach the cloud, they are stripped of any and all personal identifiers. This process refers to de-identification services, which are crucial to creating a safe, secure cloud environment. As the knowledge base continues to grow, apps built using the Watson Health Cloud enable researchers, doctors, and pharmaceutical companies to drive medical advancements and improve patient outcomes. Physicians can be more confident and accountable in their treatments, and individuals like Raul can be more responsible for their own health and wellness by taking preventative action. IBM Watson Health Cloud is rapidly transforming healthcare around the world. Its advanced cognitive capabilities, interactive ecosystem, and secure de-identification dramatically change the dynamic between patients, doctors, and the medical community, creating a brighter, healthier future for all.
Now that is very exciting technology when you talk about being able to have preventative health measures, being able to be monitored, and if there's any issues that you're unaware of, the artificial intelligent digital avatar will actually inform you of them. So I think that's very cool. And I also believe that, with biometrics and implantable devices, this will become even more powerful over the next 3 to 5 years. So I'm excited that we're working with IBM to build this platform on Watson and their cloud system. So let's look at the advantages of artificial intelligence, what they call machine learning, and what will it provide to CMDX? And, well, number one, Brittany, our digital avatar, will be able to handle all member support questions. She'll also be able to administer the help desk questions, do administrative duties such as payroll, conduct financial audits, and even conduct presentations and trainings in multiple languages. And what's really cool is the more our members use Brittany, the smarter she'll become, and the more she'll be able to run the company in an efficient manner. Again, some of the win-win advantages, not only for the members, but for the company, is this becomes very scalable. Brittany can handle millions of conversations, and really, her only limits are IBM's computing capability, which I'm pretty confident they'll be able to handle our growth. It's also very cost efficient. We don't have to hire X number of employees for every new million members that we have. There's also reduced liability. Brittany will be programmed to tell exactly what needs to be done, whereas you can't always rely on employees to stick to the script, if you know what I mean. Again, Brittany is self-learning, so the more we use her, the smarter she becomes. And it's confidential and secure. It's built on a HIPAA-compliant platform, so everything you say to Brittany is confidential and secure. And again, Brittany will be multilingual and be able to conduct all of these activities in multiple languages. And the more each culture consults with her in their language, the smarter she'll become. So I think you can see why we've chosen Ethereum as our smart contract partner and IBM for artificial intelligence. The power of these two technologies, again, will allow us to be an employee-less company by the end of 2020 and have the ability to scale to tens, if not hundreds of millions of people in our membership organization. All right, now let me really blow your mind. This is a company, Soul Machines, that's working with IBM's Watson to build lifelike human avatars that actually get smarter the more you use them. Now, this presentation is about a credit card transaction, but this could very well be a health transaction, such as I'm not feeling well, or I have a temperature, or where is the drugstore? So when you watch this example, even though it's about a credit card, understand this could very easily be a discussion about health that you're having with your digital avatar on your mobile phone.
Good morning.
Hi there. I'm Rachel.
Hi, Rachel. I'm Shantanu. How's it going?
I'm doing well, thank you. I'm really excited to be here. This is my first time in New York City.
Really? Where are you from?
Have you ever heard of a place called the Internet?
Yeah, I guess I spent some time there.
Well, I've lived there all my life. I'm a creation of Soul Machines. I can see you and hear you. And what makes me different is that I can respond to your emotions. I guess you could say I'm putting a human face on artificial intelligence.
Wow. So what brings you here?
I am working with IBM Watson to deliver knowledge across a vast range of topics. My current interest is helping people find the best credit card for them.
Really? I've actually been looking into credit cards recently.
What a coincidence. Really?
Yeah, but it's really overwhelming. There's so many credit cards out there, so many offers, options. I don't really know what to do.
Oh, Shantanu, I completely understand. It can be a lot to figure out. Would you like some help?
Sure. I'm looking for a card with no annual fee, a low APR, and something where I can get the maximum amount of points.
Okay, so you're looking for a points card. I can definitely help. Is this for personal or business use?
Personal use.
And will it be your first card?
No, I actually have a few.
Okay. Do you mind if I ask about your credit score? An estimate could help me narrow down the options for you.
Well, I'm in this audience, but it's 750. Just keep it between you and me.
Excellent. You will have some good options. Since you said you're looking for a low APR, does that mean you typically carry a balance or that you pay it off every month?
I really try to pay it off every month.
All right. I have the perfect card in mind for you. It has no annual fee, an APR of 6.5%, and it comes with triple points on all purchases.
Oh.
How does that sound?
Sounds nice. How do I get started?
Wonderful. I can transfer you to an agent to complete the application. Would you like to do that now?
Yes, please.
Before I do, is there anything else I can help you with, Shantanu?
No, you've been great. Thanks so much.
I'm so glad to hear that. If you know of anyone else who needs help with this stuff, feel free to send them my way. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
So that takes artificial intelligence and human avatars to a whole nother level. And one thing I want you to consider is what you just saw was a Google search in process in a dialogue between two people. That avatar was collecting information as she was talking to Shantanu. When you think about being able to plug into a digital avatar, IBM Watson is working with a company called Modernizing Medicine. And they have over 5,000 dermatologists online. And let's say you were to have a skin disease or something with your skin and you didn't know what it was, you'd be able to communicate with the digital avatar, and that digital avatar could tap the database of those 5,000 dermatologists and provide you potentially with the symptomology or what you need to do to go get it taken care of. So this is a very powerful device for CMDX, and it's something that we're very, very excited about. You will see digital avatars popping up all over the world, and you'll even create one for yourself. Now, let me stretch your vision a little bit more on this slide. Imagine you're an accountant and you've only been in business for 5 years. You're just out of college. You create a digital avatar that can actually do accounting. The digital avatar learns your skill set. Well, you know what's really cool is there will be digital avatars that have 20, 30 years of corporate accounting experience, mergers and acquisition experience, and you actually will be able to buy their skill set and install it in your avatar. So your experience and your knowledge will also be worth money on the digital avatar network. Now, all of this is happening over the next 5 to 10 years, but the people who are going to profit from it are the ones that are beginning to put it in place right now. It's a very exciting space, and I think you can see the power of it just off of this video. Now, as we prepare our new website for this offering, I, as the owner of the company, have prepared what's called a wireframe. So this is nothing fancy, but I just wanted to show you the intuitive layout. And typically what we do is we create the wireframe, we give it to the designer, and then they come back with the screenshots. And then what we do is we submit the screenshots to our member base and we say, how do you like this? Because we believe in feedback from our membership base. We don't want to create something that you're not going to use. And so in talks with our members, they've said, hey, provide 5 options, keep it simple. And in this slide here, this is just the profile. This is where you'll put your member information. And remember, you can also go talk to Brittany and say, Brittany, would you change my email, or can I change my password, or how do I do this? And Brittany will be able to tell you how to do that, or even once she's trained, she'll be able to do it for you. Now, also on the same page, you'll be able to upload your ID. If you're going to withdraw more than $500 a month from your CMDX wallet, you'll have to upload a state or federal ID, picture ID, and a selfie with a copy of that picture ID in the picture as well. That's called KYC. That's Know Your Customer, and it's required by law. We're also going to have a document wallet, and that will require 2-factor authentication. I don't know about you, but I travel a lot, and I always fear if I were to lose my passport or my driver's license, I'd like to have access to it. And so we're going to give you a document wallet where you can upload your birth certificate, passport, utility bill, voter card, whatever you need. But you'll be able to put that in there, and as long as you're using 2-factor authentication, you'll be able to access it. And remember, all of this data is stored on the IBM cloud, so it is super secure. Now here's a layout of the cryptocurrency wallet. Obviously has the simple send and receive functions where you can put a note as to what you're sending or as what you're receiving. Also has your coin reserve safe, so when you go out and do your health questionnaire with Brittany and you earn those coins for doing that health questionnaire, they'll be put in there and they're locked up for a certain amount of time. It'll show the release date. You can see up in the upper right hand corner you've got your balance. And a wallet, once you've signed up, becomes open, but it's locked. It becomes unlocked once you pay the $29.95 annual fee. That's $29.95 in USD. And you click on the unlock button, simply pay it. And once you do that, you can transfer your coins to a decentralized exchange. You could send them to another member, or you could go spend them on the marketplace. Now, this is the part of the website that's going to be really cool, and it's the avatar part. And this is where Brittany is. Now, this is a picture of Nadia. She's the customer service avatar for Mercedes Corporation, but I just put it there to show you what it would look like. So you're sitting with a friend at lunch, and maybe your friend's not feeling well. Well, you could pull up your phone and pull up Brittany, and she's live waiting there for you. And she might say, hi, Tom, how can I help you today? You say, Brittany, my friend Mary here is not feeling well, and I'd like you to talk with her. And she would be like, fine, Mary, how can I help you? And Mary says, I've got a fever or whatever. And what's really cool about this is Brittany eventually will run all aspects of your business as she's trained to do certain activities within the company, such as payroll, customer service, medical questions, finding the nearest drugstore. So it's very, very powerful when you think about having this technology in the palm of your hand on a smartphone. Just look at some of the things that Brittany will be able to help you do. She'll help you complete your health questionnaire. You could ask her, hey, I've got a fever, what's up? She may know that there's 900 people within a 100-mile radius that have the same symptomology as well. That's what's going to be really powerful by being plugged into IBM's Health Cloud. You might, again, need to know where the nearest drugstore is, or you need to change your email address. Maybe your compensation, you don't feel it's right, or you want to say, hey, what's my compensation going to be this week? She'll be able to pull an immediate audit and have it emailed to you within seconds. You may want to know how to explain the binary bonus to your friend, or you need help with your KYC. How do I upload my KYC? Brittany will be able to help you. And then, of course, the million-dollar question, what is cryptocurrency? Brittany will definitely be trained on how to explain what cryptocurrency is. And not only that, she'll be able to do it in multiple languages, if not all languages. The enrollment page is pretty simple. This is the basic information we ask from people when they enroll: first name, middle name, last name, address, country, phone, all the usual stuff. You put your username in, password, and then it'll show who your sponsor and your sponsor phone is. You hit accept terms and hit enroll, and you will get a welcome email and get ready to set everything up and go purchase your membership, which would be the next slide. Buying a membership is very easy. You simply do the pull down, pick the one you want. It'll give you a description of what you're getting. You put in your payment information, click pay, and you're off to the races. You're an official member with CMDX. Now, this wallet and website is currently under development and will be finished by April 30th and launched to our membership base. All right, now let's look at the CMDX solutions that we provide. We call these our core four. First thing we want to do is we want to show people how they can create wealth, how they can earn cryptocurrency through health and wealth, loyalty, and rewards activities. You go to the grocery store, you buy groceries, they give you points that you can go save money on gasoline, or you buy an airline ticket and they give you points as frequent flyer miles. And that's exactly the type of company that CMDX is. We're a loyalty and rewards company as well. We also want you to own your data. The whole idea of creating a human avatar or a digital avatar, what we call the infinite you, is that you'll have the potential to earn money from that while you're alive, but your avatar will live on beyond you. As long as the internet's around, your avatar can make money for your loved ones even after you're gone. So owning your data is a big deal. Create a digital avatar that owns, manages, and profits from your personal health data today and beyond your lifetime. That is now a reality with CMDX. We're putting that all in place right now. We also want to help our members save money. We want to reduce the cost of living a healthier lifestyle. So we want to help you save money so you have more money to do the things that you want to do. And finally, we're real big about choice. We want you to be able to have the health care when you want it, where you want it, and have the ability to pay for it. We want to increase access to more healthcare options for you. So if that appeals to you, you're going to love your membership with CMDX. Now, there are 3 opportunities with CMDX. Number 1, you can enroll for free, and you can refer others who open a wallet, and we'll pay you CMDX for doing that. Of course, it'll be done by a smart contract. So the minute you sign them up and do their KYC, you're going to get paid some coins instantly. You can also purchase a membership and start creating your immortal, immutable, infinite you, what we like to refer to as your digital avatar. And when you fill out the health questionnaire, we're actually going to reward you with CMDX for doing that. And finally, you can invest in a business membership and promote CMDX all over the world. It's a portable business, and you can generate wealth from referring members and providers. So what are the ways you can earn CMDX? Well, you can refer others who open and unlock their CMDX wallet. You can enroll members who purchase a membership. You can exercise and get CMDX rewards. We call it burn it and earn it. You can also establish your digital avatar, complete your health profile with Brittany. You can introduce providers and earn transactional rewards in CMDX as well. And if you're a developer, you can work on apps that help CMDX become the #1 health cryptocurrency in the world. Now let's look at the CMDX compensation plan. There's 3 ways to earn. We pay a 10 to 30% direct commission when you refer a member. We also have a 10% binary referral bonus if you're a team builder. And if you're into leadership development, we have 4 levels of matching bonus that pay 10% on the first level, 10% on the second level, 20% on the third level, and 25% on the fourth level. That's an amazing bonus system. Now, during this launch phase, anybody who signs up and joins our crowdfund launch team is going to earn 30% direct commissions on all sales on those first 1,500 memberships in Bitcoin. We're going to pay those every Monday. So if you submit a sale by Friday, you'll get your Bitcoin commission on Monday. And once we complete the 1,500 membership sales, we will revert back to the referral bonus plan starting June 15th, 2019, where commissions will be paid 70% in USD and 30% in CMDX. All right, let's take a look at some of our memberships. As you can see, we've got memberships ranging from free all the way up to our 5-year platinum membership. One of our most popular ones is the silver. It's $1,100. It's a 1-year membership and has a $30 a year annual renewal fee. And you get with that one, you get 2 million coins after you fill out your health questionnaire with Brittany. You also get 2 times the points on the CMDX Fit. You get a 20% direct bonus. You get 2 levels of matching bonus. You get 10% on the first level and 10% on the second level. It has a weekly income cap of $1,100. So when you start making more than that, you'll want to upgrade to the gold membership. Now, when you upgrade with us, you just pay the difference between the 2 memberships. It also has a monthly withdrawal cap from your wallet of 30% of your coins. So if you have 100,000 coins in your wallet, you can pull out 30,000 of them per month until you've taken them all out. But right now, what's really special on those first 1,500 memberships that come in, you're going to get a next level membership, which means if you purchase the silver, you're actually going to get the gold. If you purchase the gold, you're also going to get the platinum. And there's some other benefits that I'll touch on at the end of the webinar. But just remember that it's a very special promotion, and the next level only applies to the bronze and up memberships. It does not apply to the prime. So pick the membership that's best for you. Take advantage of our promotion and be one of those first 1,500 people to participate in our program. Now, as I mentioned, the Crowdfunding CMDX launch, we have an active membership drive for the first 1,500 members who join at the bronze membership or above. Here's some of the benefits that you get for doing that. Number 1, you're locked in at that 30% Bitcoin commission on all enrollments until the 1,500 memberships are sold. So if you sell a membership and turn it in by Friday, you'll get your 30% Bitcoin commission on Monday. We're also giving the next level membership. So again, if you buy the silver, you'll get the gold. If you buy the gold, you'll get the platinum. There's an auto placement in your existing hierarchy. We have an organization of over 250,000 people, so you will be placed automatically in the organization with the person that's brought you into the business. We're also giving a 50% CMDX coin bonus on the health questionnaire filled out with Brittany. And as you remember, the silver bonus, you got 2 million coins. Well, you add the 50% bonus on there, and you're going to pick up an extra 1 million coins for the health questionnaire. We're also going to give you a 100% USD bonus. That'll be locked until January 1st, 2020, or until we've completed the 1,500 membership launch. Now, silver memberships and above who purchase that $1,100 membership will also receive the $4,995 Titan Trading Club membership as well. If you're looking to learn about cryptocurrency, building a portfolio, and you want highly researched coins sent out to you every week, you'll love the Titan Trading Club. It's a powerful membership, and that's a great deal for $1,100. Not only do you get the gold membership, but you also pick up the Titan Trading Club membership as well, and all the other benefits I've already talked about. All right, let's talk about the CMDX Timeline. First thing that's going to happen on April 30th or before, we're going to be launching this e-wallet, and with the e-wallet, you'll be able to access your wallets, enroll new members, buy memberships, access customer service, unlock wallets, upload your KYC, and you'll be able to transfer your CMDX coins to a decentralized exchange or other members. On May 15th, we'll open up the member back office for those team builders that are building organizations. You'll be able to log in and you'll be able to manage your downline communications. May 31st, we'll launch Brittany 1.0. Now, this will be a chatbot initially, so people can start doing their health questionnaires and picking up their coins in their health safe. The Brittany AI chat comes alive, and it'll start administering customer service as well as the health profiles. July 31st, which will be our 2-year anniversary, will be the full launch of CMDX with all systems go, and that's with Brittany 2.0 and the human interface. This is an aggressive timeline, but what's really great is all the technologies that we're using, they're already built. We don't have to create them, we just have to integrate them. So definitely take advantage of being one of those first 1,500 charter members and secure your future with CMDX. So if you're ready to join the CMDX crowdfunding team, or you simply just want to become a member, get back with the person who invited you. Join CMDX. They'll give you their link. Also, share your CMDX auto webinar link with other people. You'll be surprised. Our system does the explaining, does the enrolling, and it does the training for you. We have everything automated into a simple 3-step system. You enroll with the charter members, you get to collect the 30% Bitcoin commissions. You know, when you refer about 3 people to our company, your membership's almost free. Hey, I hope you've enjoyed this presentation. I hope you take advantage of becoming one of those first 1,500 charter members on our CMDX launch with this exciting technology, with the artificial intelligence and the smart contracts. We look forward to answering all your questions. Thanks for being with us on the webinar today. Get back with the person who invited you. And as always, live healthy, and be wealthy.